Grand Risings, Nomadic Way. How's everybody doing out there? First of all, thank you so much for all of you subscribers and all of you that like and comment and all of those things. It helps us continue to do these adventures. And you might have noticed that when we first started, we made a video every day. We're not doing that anymore. But once a week, we're going to continuously put up new adventures up there, okay? But hey, if you want to learn some in-depth teachings to maybe some of the ways of why I think the way I think, make sure you guys check out my other YouTube channel, Mystical Ariel. I'm also an author. I wrote the Awaken series. I write about physics, science, philosophy. I write about ancient text and my own experience. So I am one who literally paid for their own funeral because I was in hospice. And I didn't just die once, I died more than once. And it brought some wisdom to me. And this lifestyle that I live changed my life forever. I'm a free person. I'm much of an empath. So when I go into cities and environments, I pick up people. Like, I know a lot about people just by looking at them. And for someone like me, we don't like that all the time. We just want to be. So, being in nature, living this lifestyle, it's amazing for us. It's amazing for my dogs. It's amazing for our mental health. It's amazing for our physical health. I was one that was covered in so much fight when it came to my health. I still fight my health. But the thing is, it made my health better. Nature. It's a healing place. It's where I was able to look into the mirror and see the truth of my being. It's where I learned to stop pointing fingers, which is what we do in society. It's also where I learned that my tongue, it's a weapon. And the things we say and do, they either will help or destroy. So I learned something. It's better to speak truth. And it's better to have a heart for everybody to change. And to know that things happen. And grace means just saying, hey, it wasn't my issue. See, the biggest thing I learned out here was this. Doesn't matter what anyone says or does about myself. That's their own reflection. They're just trying to put another name in front of it. So listen, the nomadic world can be very similar even to the world out there. It gets circles and glitches and people talk about each other. I mean, there's people who have YouTube channels and make a living out of just talking about other YouTube channels. But I'd rather do something different. See, I've met some of those YouTubers. And I've gotten to become their friends. See, what I'd rather realize is that anytime I look at them and think about them in a different way, I'm only seeing myself. We can't see anything in anyone else. Unless A, we've struggled with it ourselves, or we are that way. I don't know about you, but I came to be a nomad to live a different life. So you won't find me attacking you. And if you want to attack me, go ahead. The thing about lies, they don't stand. They fall. And at the end of the day, you're the one who spoke them. And they're going to fall right in front of you. If I don't speak about you, other than truth and love, then I have no regrets. And I get to sleep soundly every night. So nomads, think about that. We're all out there trying to struggle. We're all came out here to leave the same thing. And now we got a world out there where even living this way can be scary. we might want to realize that at the end of the day, we're no different. And we might want to learn to be there for each other. Even if we don't enjoy hanging out. Anyway, something to think about, nomads.